Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Purbright in Surrey. I wanted to show you this fantastic games room, family games room. Just handing it over today, hence why I'm able to do this video for you. A lot of bogginess out the front here, so this is all going to be a large decking area, composite decking area by a local company, but for now a bit boggy, so I'll show you inside as a separate video. But this is 7 meters wide, 4.2 meters deep, 2 meters away from all the boundaries, so we've got that 2.5 at the rear and 3 meter high rule, so you can see there that 3 meter high. Really lovely inside to get that additional height and still falls within the permitted development. In a colour called RAL 7012 basalt grey, slightly greener tints to this, and I really like that, with the aluminium bifolding doors and UPVC windows there, openers on the side, fixed on the front. I'll take you inside now, show you around and show you the bifold doors. So inside this games room, you can see really well furnished already, all stocked up with drinks there for the kids. The pool table there, or it's a snooker table, that actually doubles up as a table tennis, I believe, as well, and as an actual table as well, so that's really nice. Some units fitted in there already, I think a beer pump or two's there. You can see the climate control that we've actually installed on this one as well, and our bar. This is replicating our man cave at the factory, so we've actually done a full replication here with the glass top with this kind of glitter in it, which is really nice. Black option. We've got then the split face tiling in the quartz glitter. Again, you might be able to see a little sparkle shimmer in that really nice textured finish. And then we've actually got the Karndean flooring there, even with the grout line being you can see down there, like a really cool little grout line that kind of gives a feeling of stone as well. TV on the wall, you've got all the lighting, electrics, heating, everything was done by us. Sonos in the corners, let me just show you that there. So let's put a ceiling socket in there and then set them off the wall. Just really nicely kitted up, and you can see that additional height you get by being 2 meters away, that angled front there, so it's really nice. If I kind of come around here and pan around the other way, we've done 2 heaters in this room, so you don't get hot and cold spots, and these 2 lovely big windows that look out to the left from in the building, the right hand side of the garden, along with those lovely bifolding doors in the front as well, which I'll show you open in a moment. Little table area there as well. This really set up for family use, all the family, for all the different uses, and I'm sort of going to get a lot of usage out of it this year being 2021. I'll show you outside with the bifold doors open. So back outside with the bifolding doors open, you can just see what a great integration they give you. You can imagine it with this big decking area. It's going to be out here. That's going to be done in the next month or so. Turning that chair around and just opening it into the garden in the summer, as opposed to the winter usage, which is really designed to have the doors shut. Just a great integration with the garden. Love the bifolding doors whenever we can get them fitted. So the sun's in the way there a little bit, but this gives you a really good idea of how open it can be. So if this kind of garden building is of interest, feel free to give us a call or send us an inquiry. Please like and subscribe our videos on YouTube. I really appreciate it. It does mean a lot to get the nice comments from you guys, and also for that station to really show what we're doing. Lots of exciting stuff coming up in 2021 for you, and hopefully this one's of interest. Thank you. Bye bye.